Community-led mangrove restoration in Pulicat by MFI and Mirsa. Pulicat Lake, the second largest brackish water lagoon in India, once flourished with dense mangrove forests that sheltered marine life and sustained thousands of fishing families. Over the years, industrial expansion, pollution, and unsustainable practices caused large-scale mangrove loss, threatening both ecology and livelihoods. Since 1999, Mr. Mirsa, an environmentalist and community leader from Pulicat, has spearheaded a remarkable people-driven mangrove restoration movement that integrates ecological revival with community empowerment. His work began under Crenio and Cindy and later evolved into the Mangrove Foundation of India, MFI, a dedicated platform promoting conservation, livelihood enhancement, and climate resilience. The restoration approach emphasizes community ownership. Local fishermen, women's self-help groups, and youth actively participate in every stage, from seed collection and nursery management to planting and maintenance. Using ecological mangrove restoration (EMR) techniques, the team improves tidal flow through small canal networks and reintroduces native mangrove species such as Rhizophora mucronata, Rhizophora apiculata, and Avicennia marina. These interventions restore soil health, salinity balance, and the natural regeneration capacity of the ecosystem. Women play a vital role in this model. They manage mangrove nurseries, earn income through planting activities, and benefit directly as restored ecosystems enhance fish, crab, and prawn populations. Household incomes have improved as biodiversity and fishing potential increased. The initiative also engages schools and colleges, fostering ecological awareness among younger generations. Over the past 2 decades, MFI and local communities have restored over 250 hectares of mangroves, conserved more than 1,000 hectares, and planted nearly 500,000 saplings in the Pulicat and Kattupalli regions. The restored green belts now act as natural buffers against cyclones, tidal surges, and coastal erosion, enhancing the climate resilience of vulnerable fishing villages. MFI integrates restoration with sustainable livelihood programs such as crab pen culture, agroforestry, and eco-education. Collaborations with Satyabama Research and Technology University, Dr. Manager Fisheries University, Women's Christian College, and C. Abdul Hakim College strengthens the scientific foundation and data-driven monitoring of restoration work. For his outstanding contributions, Mr. Mirsa received the National Wetland Champion Award 2022 from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, MoEFCC, Government of India, and the State Green Champion Award 2024. He also serves as a member of the Tiruvallur District Coastal Zone Management Authority, Government of Tamil Nadu. Today, the Pulicat model stands as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that when communities lead restoration, both nature and livelihoods can thrive together.